I was just sent the 7-piece shower organizer set, and I'm really excited because my shower is getting overrun with different items. So having some nice shelves to put them on is going to be great. So in this set, you actually get a little loofah, and these are no drill sets. So you actually can just stick them on the wall, and they can hold up to 40 pounds on these. So you don't have to worry about them falling off. They come with the little adhesive things to be able to stick on your wall. Then stainless steel, waterproof, rust-proof, nice shelves that you can then add into your shower. We're going to pull these all out, and then we will go back and put them in my shower. So here are all 7 pieces. And what's really great about these is you don't have to just use them in the shower. You could use them in your kitchen, in your bedroom, wherever you need a little extra storage, because these are pretty versatile looking. It's just a nice black stainless steel. So these just clip in the back of all of the bars here, and that way they are on there and you don't have to worry about them slipping. So you just have to take each one of these and clip them inside the loops here. So we're going to hang this up in this bathroom in here. So it says you're supposed to peel off this back part and then let it sit on there for 24 hours before adding any weight. I went ahead and just put the thing on here now, and then we'll wait to actually add in the items later on, but I wanted to show you how this gets put up. This has this little sticky part right here that you pull off, and then it reveals the part that will then get stuck to the wall. And then if for some reason you ever did want to take it off, it just comes off with a hairdryer if you warm it up. And then we will just add this right here and adhere that on. And then we can go in later on and add in the extra items. So we put in some different items here. These are just some light things you don't need to worry about. Hang out different things here. Declutter up your bathroom. And then, like I said, it'll hold up to 40 pounds. I'm not going to push it right now because I just put it on and I didn't wait the 24 hours like they say. But I wanted to show you. So this is a beautiful little area here that you can add, like I said, up to 7 of them in here. I don't need 7 of them in this bathroom, so I'll be spreading them out other places. But that's what's great about it, is the versatility. It's got all sorts of different hooks, and the stainless steel will be great in any sort of decor.